This is one of those 5-minute resets. Strawberries, chia seeds, and a jar. You'll need fresh strawberries, chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and a little honey. That's all. Start by adding chia seeds to a jar. This is the base of our power snack. Pour in the almond milk and let it gently cover the chia seeds so they can begin to soften. Take a moment to stir the chia seeds well so they stay evenly mixed and don't clump together. Add just a light drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness and balance in every bite. Top it with fresh strawberries for a bright pop of color and flavor. Seal the jar and let it chill in the fridge so the chia seeds can thicken and set into a pudding. Sometimes a simple snack like this is all the reset you need to slow down and recharge. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.